Hi, my name is Warner Lewis of the Harkov Lewis team, and I'm thrilled to bring you on a tour today of Penthouse 4F at The Edge. This apartment is unique in that it is on the absolute top floor of the building. The only thing above you is your own private roof terrace. It is a two-bedroom that with very spacious living dining area and these incredibly expansive views. You actually see a plane in the distance of Brooklyn that are just not to be missed. For entertaining purposes, at The Edge, it doesn't get much better than this. You have an enormous kitchen, very large island, and just standing here, all I see is Brooklyn, Brooklyn, and more Brooklyn. It is an absolutely extraordinary view and a really nice place to cook from. So here we come downstairs to the lower level of the duplex. You can come in and you have a nice little landing area. You have your second bath here. The second bedroom has expansive views and more than adequate size to be a bedroom, anything you'd like it to be. And then you come in to one of the biggest bedrooms in The Edge, which is absolutely enormous in size. Also access to the balcony and expansive views of Brooklyn. After an incredibly long, dark winter, my eyes can't even deal with all the sunlight up here right now. It is very nice to be up here outdoors, 80-degree weather, and to be able to see all of Williamsburg right in front of me. North to the hotels, south to the bridge, the water. It really, really is a special outdoor place that is private for you. This is what truly sets The Edge apart from any other building you will possibly visit. This pool is a sanctuary in the summer, the spring, the winter, or fall. I personally use it all year round. It's a wonderful amenity that no building can beat. Not only do we have that, but we also have a jacuzzi, a steam room, and a sauna that round out this magical amenity package that again cannot be beat.
Fitness centers, a full-size indoor basketball court, virtual golf, 2 children's playrooms, 2 movie screening rooms, lounges, and a parking garage.
So this area, which is right off the pool, is the perfect place to congregate in the spring or summer. Bring friends over, have a bottle of wine, grill a steak, and just get to relax right by the water. And if you get too hot, just jump in the pool.
Situated on the waterfront, with the East River State Park next door on the promenade and pier out front, the location offers breathtaking skyline views and sunsets. The Smorgasburg and Brooklyn Fee are at your doorstep on weekends, and you are steps from restaurants, bars, and shopping that have made Williamsburg one of the hottest neighborhoods in the city.
If you'd like to see this fabulous apartment at the Edge Condominium, please do not hesitate to reach out to me or any member of the Harkov Lewis team. We'd love to show it to you.